We are the only country in the world imewahi tuma polisi Haiti na kuwezana na gangs ya Haiti mpaka wakapacify the city ya huko Haiti. And I'm telling you something, the experience they have received, we have received by the work that our police officers done. And I'm very happy juzi, United Nations wamevote, wamesema sasa hiyo mission itapanuliwa na itahakikisha kwamba UN itasupport na kwamba watu wengine watatumwa so that it gives also space for some of our police officers who come home to come home, and the experience they will have wakileta hapa itatusaidia pia kupambana na gangs katika hii city na sehemu zingine katika taifa letu. So we are very proud, IG, with the work that our police officers are doing, and we believe that the experience they have gotten and the publicity, the positive publicity Kenya has gotten because of the work you are doing is commendable.